I'm going to show you exactly how to present Google Slides on a different or second monitor. Open your slide deck in Google Chrome. I use Chrome for this because Firefox and Safari don't always see the external display the way Chrome does. Up at the top right, you'll see the slideshow button. It has a small down arrow immediately to its right. Click that down arrow. A menu drops open underneath it, and near the bottom is Presentation Display Options. Click that. Chrome may put a pale permission bar right under the address bar asking to connect to additional displays. Click Allow. That bar disappears quickly, and if it vanishes before you get to it, just reload the tab and do the same down arrow click again. I've missed it more than once because it looks like a cookie notice. Now you're in the Presentation Display Options panel. You'll see a list of displays Chrome can see. Give it a second because it populates while Chrome queries the display. Your second monitor or projector shows up by its model name. If the list is empty, stop here. The monitor is probably asleep or it's set to mirror instead of extend in your system display settings. For the actual choice, pick Presenter View. That sends the main slides to the external screen, and your laptop switches to a presenter console with your speaker notes, a timer, and the next slide thumbnail. If you'd rather see the same slide on both screens, select your second monitor or projector instead. That keeps your laptop in the normal editor view. I use Presenter View almost every time because the notes are the whole point of presenting from a laptop. Click Start Slideshow. The external display jumps to full screen slides, and your primary screen turns into that presenter console. This changes the confirmation that you're live. The audience sees only the slide, not your notes, not the thumbnail, and not the rest of your browser tabs. While you're in Presenter View, the bottom of the Notes panel has a small slide count. Click that to open a film strip of all your slides, and you can jump to any slide without the audience seeing the navigation. For simple forward and back, use the right and left arrow keys. To leave, press Escape. That drops you back into the editor, and the external screen goes back to your desktop. Later on, you can skip the full display options panel. Click that same down arrow next to Slideshow and choose Present on another screen. That opens the display picker straight away. Pick the display and start. That's the faster route once you already know the setup works. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.